So I came here to pick up my friend's car, DBX 707. Look what's here. We actually came at a really good time. But what lies behind this door? Not even you know.
I don't. I just came here.
That's cool.
S2K. Whoa.
And coming here, well, not coming here, but while we were waiting for the second key, we saw an IROC as well, an IROC convertible. I think we can go see what there is inside. Oh, they're covered up. Oh, that's cheeky. But I was told what it is. I am really excited to see what spec it is.
It looks as if all of them are covered with like the cover.
The panel covers, yeah. Like the individual panel cover type, right?
Yeah.
Brand new Valhalla. That is awesome.
Usually if you see a puncture on the back, there's damage there.
Damn, that door's still. It's a really big door, actually, now looking at it.